Greetings, this tutorial is for people with the latest Windows builds that broke non-original Xbox 360 controller driver support, me including. This guide only requires you to download the official drivers and modify them just a bit, so a few numbers just basically. So let's get started. The link with the step-by-step information on drivers is in the description. First of all, we will uninstall all the old drivers and Xbox controllers we have installed. So go to Device Manager, select your unknown device. In this case, I'll remove the correctly installed device and its drivers. Once that is done, just pull out your USB for your receiver and plug it back in. Then scan for the new devices. And then right click on the device and go to the Details tab and select Hardware's IDs property. The official one will end in 0719. And yours probably, as mine was, is 0291. So take a note of the number 0291. Yours might be different, so just the last four numbers. Next, we will download the drivers from the Microsoft website. The link will be in the description below. Also, the link to the article. After download, go and extract the Xbox 360 64 and exe file. If you are on the 32-bit Windows, then download the 32-bit version. Once you extract the folder, follow the path: Xbox 360, 64eng, Xbox 360 setup 64 files, driver, Win7, and finally open xusb21.inf. You can use it Notepad or any other text editor. Once in the Notepad, go to Edit, Replace. Then type in 0719 with the number from the step 2 we previously put in Notepad. In this case, it's 0291, and just hit Replace All. And after that, save the file. Next, we have modified the drivers, and now they are not digitally signed. Windows will not allow us to install them. So now we have to turn off the driver check temporary. And for this, we will set Windows into the test mode. We'll open the Start, type in CMD in the search field, and then click on it and run it as administrator. In the new window, paste bcdedit set testing on, and then press enter. You'll get a message: the operation completed successfully. Now you will have to reboot your PC, so just stop this video for a second and reboot your PC. So now you have rebooted your PC, and in the bottom right corner you'll see a watermark. That's good, the testing mode is on. Now we must go back and find the xusb21.inf file we modified in the step 6. When you find the file, just right click on it and select install. You'll get several warnings, just accept and click install this driver software anyway. At this step, Windows might already have installed your the driver, so you only have to restart the PC. But if it did not happen, just go to Device Manager, find the unknown device, and then choose Update Driver. Click on the Browse My Computer for drivers, and then choose Let Pick from the list available drivers on my computer and install the drivers. So that's basically completes it. Optionally, I recommend to install the Xbox 360 64eng.exe file. It will install the Xbox software, and you get a little icon thingy with a battery charge, and if your controller is actually connected, I think it adds something else, so just recommend to install it. Before starting, just open the CMD again, right click as admin and type in bcdedit set test signing off, and this will disable the thing we previously enabled. and then restart your PC. After that, everything should be working just fine. Your controller will connect to your wireless receiver, and that's it. Okay, so if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll just try answer them, or I'll just add the additional information to the article. So be sure to, of course, subscribe to my channel. My channel is growing steadily, still small. And of course, just hit that like button. Again, thanks for watching.